We've got number 4 gone on the right side, so we're going to lead with 2 and 3, 370 knots. We'll feed in number 1 engine. We'll roll the ailerons into the 2 engines.
All right.
And we hold the airplane on the ground until 90 knots minimum.
All right.
Then we'll go. Then it's normal after.
Okay. Understood, no questions.
Okay. That's good to go.
We'll go through the line of speed weights. Are on. Takeoff Montreal. Got this.
Okay.
Hey, you got it.
Close that valve left. That's good, Ian.
Yeah, it's closed. Okay, tailflaps are trailed except for number 4 is closed. Mixtures are going auto rich. Pre-rich and locked. Gust locks are moved. Up my side.
Fine.
Full 3 correct at the top. Boost pumps, we got 3 on low. Transponder coded set to altitude. Times noted, land lights are required right now.
So, you didn't get wind too much until I started
To at work there.